What up, y'all? I'm here with a POV drive today in my Trackhawk. Y'all let me know down below if y'all want more of these. I'm not gonna talk too much, just let y'all hear the engine and all that. We'll be driving for like 15 minutes probably, so I hope you enjoy. Yeah, it's raining pretty bad out here. I guess we in Vegas supposed to be getting a hurricane or something because of California, so it's been raining and stuff, so I thought this was a perfect opportunity to film the first POV drive. Hell yeah, so hopefully we don't die because we definitely not ready for no hurricane, I ain't gonna lie. These people can't even drive out here in the rain. Loki should get on the freeway, huh? Yeah. How would I get on the freeway? Can you search up which way I would go to get on the freeway? Yeah.
Turn left at this light.
Alright, bud.
It's looking gonna be way more mild.
Alright, bud. Let's go. Come on. When I get on the freeway, I'm gonna show y'all how I've been practicing on my paddles too. I'm gonna see if I can get right with them, you know what I mean? One hand is kind of crazy. I don't know how motherfuckers be doing this shit, but track, let it cool down, and then I'm gonna show y'all the shift paddles, some downshifts and stuff like that. And yeah, that'll be dope. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna put this thing in manual. Loki, should I just let you record it when I put it in manual?
Sure.
Alright, bet.
What do you want me to record, like this way?
Both, like, you can just go in there, like, type shit. Alright, so we're gonna flip this thing into manual. That shit crazy, bro. Look at this Mercedes right here. Let's see if you want to get down. Well, this is CLS, I'm sure. Alright, y'all, we on the phone now, bro. My camera just ran out of storage again. Like, how's that even possible? But we just gonna finish off the POV drive on the phone. It low-key looks better like this, no cap. Might do my POVs like this. Y'all see that right there? Hold on, let me slow down so you can see it. Y'all see that right there? That might be my next whip. Not that one exactly, but a GLE 63. That might be my next whip. That's an AMG. Ooh. Which one is that? Okay. Yeah, that might be my next whip. Either that or that boy right there. The Corvette. Like the one I used to be riding in. I don't know. I've been thinking it's hard to pick the next whip because, like, this is the whip I wanted really, really bad. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yellow Brimbos. Smoke great track. Yellow Brimbos. All right. I just had to put my kill switch on and stuff, but yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vlog, y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. If y'all want some more, let me know. I didn't really do too much cutting up because it's raining. I'm not gonna total my track, so yeah. Y'all tap in if you want another video. Peace.
Shorty got wop like Fetty. Bright when I love to get ready. Then on my vomits to everything daddy. And shot to the eye, now he looking like Fetty. Bitch, I be geeking, I told her what?